Roadkill Extra appears every single weekday at Motor Trend On Demand. It's a show that gives you question and answer sessions, deeper looks into our project vehicles, behind the scenes stuff, and here's a sample right now of one of the shows that you missed last week on MotorTrendOnDemand.com. You can watch them all with a 30-day free trial.
Copy that.
Oh, the Challenger is truly unstoppable.
It what?
It's unstoppable,
It's
unkillable.
Whoa!
Gotta slow down. Okay, it died, but I can coast it down. It's all right.
Oh, we're entering the eye of the storm again.
Wow, this is bad.
This is the belly of the beast right here.
It is. I can't see though.
I can't see anything. There's a cliff.
That's the cliff right there. I was using it as a guide. All right, fire me up. Yikes! This is the worst.
It's horrible.
I cannot see. Wow!
Man, I'm getting pelted with sand. We've got to make a move.
Ah. Oh, it died.
Can you roll? Ah,
I'm coasting. I
I cannot see.
anything. Ah. Well, I guess Death in the Desert is going to be the end of Roadkill Garage.
And maybe the end of us.
Ah.
It's been nice knowing you, Freiberger.
Well, it's been a good run. Ah.
How are we going to get out of this?
I don't know.
Don't neutral slam it. Just take the idle down as low as you can before you put it in gear.
Okay, I gotta go. Can you see that way?
Just keep it as far that way as you can.
Oh no, there's stuff over here too.
Yeah, I know, but can you see that side?
Ah.
Okay,
Oh,
you're
I
good
can
on my side.
Yep, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. You okay over there?
Ah. Ow!
Oh!
Ow!
This is so bad.
How are we going to get out of this?
I don't know. It'll stop eventually, right?
I don't know how long we can last.
Ah, this is hilarious.
I've got sand in my eyes, even though I have goggles on.
Me too.
I'm gonna start the engine
Why?
so we can try to make progress.
I can't see.
I can see a little bit.
You can either die on the cliff or die in the sand. Take your pick.
I'll take my chances driving on.
Okay. Fire it up.
You've got about 15 feet to the cliff on this side. You're good. Oh, it's kind of scary. I can't.
Yeah, I can't see.
I can't see. We could go forward about 20 feet and then we could stop
Yeah,
again.
fire it up. Ah,
Get,
I'm trying to go slow.
I smell gas.
Yeah, me too.
Should we be worried?
No, let's get out of here.
Floor it.
It is. Here, you do it. You're better.
You're good to the right.
What?
You're good to the right.
Okay.
You're good to the right. You're good to the right.
It died again. I can't see a thing. We could be going straight off a cliff. I just don't know. I mean, I can kind of see, but not enough.
You're good on my side. Oh,
What?
I just had like a patch of clear vision. You're good.
What?
You're good on my side.
Yeah, but I don't know what's in front of us.
Oh.
We could be heading straight off a cliff, and I wouldn't know it. Do you guys copy?
Yes, copy you.
Are you still stopped?
You went to the open space at the beginning of that run.
Yeah, we cannot find our way there. We can't see anything.
It's so thick right now.
We can't see anything.
Same here.
They're in the same circumstance.
Yeah, but if we stay here too long, the carburetor will get completely full of sand.
Yeah, I know, but you want to fall off a cliff?
No.
This is that sandstorm like miles away. Yep. Oh, it's definitely here.
Come back.
Are you disoriented? Do you know where you are?
Yes, I didn't know how we were doing the high-speed runs with the dudes on my left.
But I'm not exactly sure. I can't keep driving.
If you can walk your way, if you can slowly crawl your way towards us.
Whenever this breaks.
Ah,
I'll walk it and you drive.
I can see. Fire it up.
I can see my side.
Ah,
Oh.
It's so bad for them. We have no freaking windshield. I know.
I can't see enough.
I'm gonna go out there and walk it.
Okay.
I'll guide you in.
Ah, we're gonna have great
That's even
footage of
worse.
our
I'm getting
death.
back in the car.
What?
That's even worse.
Okay. My eyes are so full of sand, even with the goggles on.
Oh, my eyes are. I have a ton of sand in my eyes. We're literally stranded in a sandstorm,
Yep.
getting pummeled.
Yep.
I think we're in the worst spot.
Yes, we are.
There's sand everywhere. It doesn't seem to be getting any better.
No.
I can't keep the sand out of my goggles either.
Me neither.
It seems to be worse.
Yep.
Oh, there's so much sand in my goggles.
Guys, it looks like it's clearing up for a split second. Try to do what you can.
He says it's clearing out for a second. Fire it up.
Ready?
Yep.
Come on, 318.
You start it.
Come on, 318, start. It's not sounding good.
Yeah, the carburetors are just trashed.
No,
Not gonna start.
no.
The car won't start anymore. It's too full of sand.
All right, don't move. We will come to you.
How's he gonna come here?
Probably not a good idea. Do you copy? What are you gonna do?
We are waiting here. Do you want to walk to us or stay with the car?
The visibility is worse walking. We tried it.
Do you want us to come to you with the van?
You will not be able to see. It is zero visibility. I don't know if this gets better or worse.
Not until midnight.
Ah,
Oh.
We are inching our way to you.
10-4. This is really bad.
Yeah.
Are you rolling our way?
We are heading towards you.
Copy that. We are not moving.
Copy.
This is like Sandy Doom.
I wonder if we should get in the back. Here, if you get in the back, you can get behind the seat. See this?
I had to take my goggles off.
Yeah, my goggles are full of dirt.
We are right in front of you.
I see your lights. See them? Hey, Steve,
Yeah.
they're here.
Let's get out of here.
Yep. Oh. Oh.
Oh, thank God you guys gained.
My eyes are so full of rocks.
Mine are too.
Oh.
You know, well, the good news is we've got the world's best off-road Challenger. The bad news is we're going to die in it in the desert. And it's literally, I mean, we're bleak, like beyond bleak. And then all of a sudden there's a break. And we go, yeah, we got it. And we take off. And, oh, we were in the eye of the storm back there, dude. It was like death. The good news is we have Crunch and Munch, so all's well with the world.
I think everything has crunch and munch at this point.
It does. Oh, thank you. My teeth are really gritty.
I feel a lot better now. Thanks, guys.
If you need more Roadkill Extra, go sign up for the 30-day free trial right now.